Hello, today is June 28, 2021. I'm Amanda from Putianda Intelligent Equipment Limited Company. Today, I'd like to introduce you our high-end customized flat one-to-one flat mask machine. Firstly, let's look at the finished mask sample. As you can see, this mask fits very well the human face, and the earbuds is firmly welded. Even when you press them hard, they won't break. And this is the nose brace. It can be adjustable and very close to face. And here is the welding port. The welding spot shape can be customized as your needs. It can be square or round, or any shape you like. Okay, now let's look at the machine. This is the appearance of our whole machine. Its production speed is 130 to 150 pieces per minute, and its allium structure, so it's dust proof and it's very strong. Okay, now I'll introduce in detail. Let's start from the material rack. Here is the material rack. It can store 3 material rows in total. And here is the tension control shaft to control the tension of the clothes. And here is the tension controller. They are the whole set. They are the complete set to control the tension of clothes. The mask won't be broken, and the rate and the pass rate of mask will be higher. Here is the customer customized, and here is the nose brace plate to put nose brace. Here is the character. Equipped with this character, the clothes won't be moved left or right. They will keep straight in a line. Then the mask produced will be higher pass rate. Here is the sensor. This sensor will detect whether the material are in the same line. If they move to right or left, they will automatically correct the position, the materials. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, as you can see, this machine have a protective shield to protect the mask safe and clean of the mask, and also protect the safety of operator. Okay, let's look at the inside. Here is the mask folding structure. Here is the mask folding and shaping structure. And this part is the nose brace. Nose brace go through these rollers, then be cutted at this part. Here is the netting model. Netting model, it can be customized according to different mask shapes. If you want to produce different mask shapes, you can only change this mask molding. And here can customize your logo. You can see this part. You can change the logo to any you want. this part we use 120K and 2600 watt ultrasonic for this mask molding. So, and it's a brown ultrasonic. And this part we use 4 rollers to instead of the 6 rollers. So it will save your cost, because most of flat mask machines on the market use 6 rollers for the mask edge sealing. But we and 2 ultrasonic, but we use only 1 ultrasonic and 4 rollers, because our masks are molding at one time. Don't need 2 times molding and shaping. It's the advantage of mask machines. Okay, let's see next workstation. This part we use in next-gen static rod to eliminate the static of materials. The mask won't fly randomly, and they will be packed more neatly. Okay, let's move to another station. Here is the masking wheel belt. Okay, now we move to anode welding structure. Here is the mask welding structure. This part we use bronze Xinjie cell motors, 7 Xinjie cell motors for the mask and loop welding. Let's count. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's move to other side. Five, 6, 7, 7 cell motors for the mask and loop welding structure. All use the bronze Xinjie cell motors, so it will be quiet and will be more faster than the cylinder. And there are another cell motors for the driver of the mask conveyor belt. So for the whole flat mask machine, we use 8 cell motors to drive, or bronze cell motors. and for this part, we use a mask folding device to fold the envelope like this. Then the mask will be easily packed. This is the customized device. Okay, this part is for the mask unloading, and this part we use a staple motor. This is the speed adjusting motor to adjust the speed of mask conveying. Let's see the finished mask. It's very beautiful and exquisite. And this flat mask machine can be connected with the mask packing machine. Here is the mask packing machine, Pino type mask packing machine, and it can pack 100 to 110 packs per minute. Okay, now let's see the the well-packed mask samples. It can be packed one piece or of 10 pieces maskers per bag. You can choose different packing method. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Oh, almost forgot. I will show you also the ultrasonic. For the whole machine, we use 3 ultrasonic. Here's the one ultrasonic. Is 2800 watts for the mask molding. For the mask molding. Okay, let's to see other 2 ultrasonic. Here, there are the other 2 ultrasonic. They are also 20K and 2800 watt for the end-loop welding. For this end-loop welding, they are also 20K and 2600 watt. All use the brown ultrasonic, so it's very stable and very high quality. We can say they are a gas tank to install the air source. It's very good for countries of lack of air pressure. It can ensure the stability of air source supply. Okay, that's all. Thank you.